Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Imagine that. I sat in my craft room and needed to make some Mother's Day cards, and as you can see, I did and I completed them. I'm going to mail them off tomorrow. So I wanted to come on and share them with you all because I haven't been crafting, and this is the only time that I really crafted. I didn't share my Easter cards. I think I have one here. Here are my Easter cards. It's different. I know it's on black cardstock, but it made the paper stand out so much brighter because it's like a watercolor paper in the background. And I just love how it stood out. And then I used these My Creative Time um, bunnies. And then this is a Simon Says word die, I think. Easter blessings. And then here is some old Joanne rickrack. I think I bought several spools of this rickrack. I just thought that I think this is from their Christmas um, line. I just thought it could go with anything. It doesn't have to go with Christmas. And then I added a really cute little bow. Did I do anything? I didn't do anything in the inside. But yeah, that is my Easter card for Easter this year. So this year for Mother's Day, I kind of wanted something simple because I was pressed on time, and I made about 11 cards for close family and friends, and used this embossing folder from Stampin' Up. I used a die from my stash. It's these little scalloped rectangles. And then this is and I don't even know where that came from. I think it's an AliExpress along with the flower. And then this sentiment is from Teeny Tiny Wishes from Stampin' Up. And then this little heart is a gem from Dollar Tree when they used to have them. I haven't seen them. I haven't seen those heart gems come back, or did they? They might have for Valentine's Day, but I have so many that I didn't pick up anymore. Um, but then I decided that it was too plain in the background, and I added another sheet of pink cardstock to it. I just thought it just completed the card. I love this embossing folder. It is so pretty. Um, then I made a Mother's Day card for my mom, and I used paper from American Crafts. I used a doily. I used stickers from the Dollar Tree. These are stickers from my stash that spelled out Mom, and then a flower. I think this is from Dollar Tree, and then this is a remnants of this die. It's like a long stem rose, and I just took a snippet of it for the background. Added some flat back pearls, and I just love how that looked. Did I put anything in the No, I did not. So that is a card for my mom for Mother's Day. I think that's so pretty. And then her birthday is 2 days later, so I have to send her a birthday card. And this card, or this idea, came from Mary over at Cards TV. I'll have her link down below. I took one of her sketches. I believe this is sketch number 52. And there's two panels. And the one panel, I used the lace from Dollar Tree. This lace here, I just think it's gorgeous. Um, and then this paper came from Walmart. It's double-sided. I think it's a color block paper. And I just love how the papers come. This is the polka dot is the back of this paper here. So I just kind of switched it up. And then I added another stamp from Teeny Tiny Wishes called Happy Birthday, and some cool gems that I got from, was it Michael's, uh, probably last year sometime. And I just added it to the front of the card. I'm going to get those spider webs off my card. So I love how that turned out. And then inside, I did, already written in there, add the other trim from Dollar Tree, and here's that paper from Walmart. And I just love how that turned out. It's different from see, this is what we used to get. It's just a trim, one-sided trim, and then now it looks like this. So I really love how that turned out in the inside of my card, because it really goes with the front of the card. So those are my cards for Mother's Day. I don't think I shared my Easter card, so I'm gonna share it real quick. And yes, it's on black paper. Normally it's on white because it's Easter, but I did put it on black paper because it just made the background stand out. I added some trim from Joann's. So sad that they're going out of business. Can't keep up with China, I guess. Um, and then I have some gingham ribbon. This is some dies from my creative time. It's the little bunnies. I don't know the name of it. And then this is a die from Simon Says Stamp. So, and then this is a stitched die. I mean, we have so many, right? I think it's from Allie, or China, I guess. So that is my Easter card for this year. I think it turned out really sweet. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I hope I can start crafting again so I can share more. Thank you guys for commenting on my last 2 videos. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.